Hi, I am Tadeáš Ryšan. I am master's student of Charles University. I study entomology, and I am here because I am very interested to tropical insects. Yeah, that forest is unique because there is some flowers. There is moose flowers, herb flowers, shrub flowers, and forest flower. And on every of these floor there is some specialized species. And when that forest disappeared and there is only grassland with cows, there can live only some species which can live on grasses, but all species which need some mooses or some shrubs disappeared, extinct, when there are endemics on that area. We don't have we can justice to genocide some species with life there. It's fully ethical, but there is much more scientists. First of all, there are a lot of undescribed species. No one know it, no one see it for all eons. And when that forest disappeared, that species extinct. And last is there in tropical forest are some species which can contain some substance which can be used in medical for something for healing cancer or other diseases. And when this species extinct, we disappeared the possibility to use that substance, study that substance.